I've cracked the code to finally getting your videos seen by the right audience. If you're tired of your videos not getting seen, you need to watch until the end so you'll have a simple step-by-step process to optimize your videos and get the algorithm to work for you. Hey guys, I'm the Money Dad and I help solo entrepreneurs and small creators build online businesses that work for them even while they sleep. Today, we'll cover 12 steps you can take to optimize your videos and help improve your visibility. And if you want to go even further, get my SEO toolkit below, which can help you get maximum reach. Let's get started. The first step is to find relevant keywords and tags. You can start by picking a topic like YouTube SEO, and then using tools like ChatGPT or vidIQ to help you break these keywords into multiple tags. This sets the tone for your video and allows you to create it in a structured way. The structure helps the algorithm categorize your videos. Step 2 is to create a title that gets clicked on. You want to make sure your title includes keywords because this greatly affects how your video gets found. You can use ChatGPT to help generate clickable titles, which can increase your visibility. Step 3 is to create a detailed description. Ideally, you want to summarize and incorporate keywords to boost your video. And once again, you can use ChatGPT to help you with this. Another thing to consider is adding links to your relevant videos or resources within the description to optimize it even further. Hey guys, if you want me to make a detailed video that shows you how to use ChatGPT for YouTube SEO, drop the word SEO in the comments. Step 4 is to create a click-worthy thumbnail. You want to make sure your thumbnail is visually pleasing and engaging. You can do this by referencing other creators' thumbnails to help you generate ideas. Generally speaking, make sure to keep it clear, use bold text, and don't crowd with text or elements. If you do this properly, it'll make the viewer curious enough to click on your video. Step 5 is to prepare your video file. Everything that we did up until this point will tie into this nicely. So first, make sure you update the name of your video file to match your video's title. Next, you want to update the metadata of the file by making changes to its properties. This includes adding a title, which can be your video title or your keywords, adding tags, and adding your video's description. This is another tactic to get YouTube to categorize your video. Here's a friendly reminder to watch the video until the end so you can get the most reach on your videos. Step 6 is to optimize your chapters. You can do this by creating timestamps and giving them titles for each section. Make sure to put the timestamps in your description or it won't function properly. Step 7 is to add hashtags. I like to put 2 to 3 relevant hashtags in my description, which allows my video to get more reach. When someone clicks on a hashtag anywhere on YouTube, your video is able to be found with a list of other videos using that hashtag. Step 8 is to choose your video's category. If you're showing people how to do things like I am, you can use the how-to section. But be sure to pick the category that resonates the most with your content to help push it into the right viewers. Step 9 is to upload subtitles. If you can increase the accessibility of your content, then you can increase your reach. Adding an SRT file is a perfect way to do this. Step 10 is to put your videos in playlists. If done correctly, you can help viewers stay on your channel longer. This lets the algorithm know to push your content out to more people, which is critical for your reach. Step 11 is to add a pinned comment. This can help you a ton with getting more engagement. More engagement can help get more views. You can also pin a link to a related video, which can help viewers binge your content. Step 12 is to add end screens and cards. This allows viewers to click on your related content and keep them engaged with your videos. Make sure to add these on all of your videos if you want to increase your watch hours. If you follow these steps properly, you'll be miles ahead of creators who are not optimizing their content. If you want to go even deeper and get maximum reach on your channel, get a copy of my SEO toolkit. It's designed to help you optimize your channel so you can attract the right viewers and potentially turn them into buyers. Speaking of buyers, are you ready to turn your channel into a money-making machine without the YouTube Partner Program? This video right here shows you exactly how to do it.